In the previous chapter, we created a Java file called main Java, and we used the following code to print "Hello World" to the screen. Java is case-sensitive. My class and my class. It has a different meaning. The Java file name must match chapter name. When you save the file, save using the class name and adding .java to end of file name. To run the example above on your computer, make sure Java is installed correctly. Go to Get Video 2, Installing Java JDK in Windows, in my channel to learn how to install Java. Let's apply all these things to learn more. We close project. In the interface, we click on Create a new project. We give our project a new name and click Create. Above the src folder, we right-click, go to New, then Class Java, and then click. We write main as the class name with a capital letter at the beginning and then press Enter. Inside, the class, public class, main. Between curly braces, we write the method public static void main string args. Between curly braces, we write system.out println. And between the println method, we write welcome to my school, code Lamine school. Ends with a semicolon. Don't worry if you don't understand all these lines. I will explain everything step by step, and I will be clear to you after that. If you don't understand, leave a comment in the write-up and I will explain more. We click play for Run Project and we see result. Congratulations, you run first project and you print hello in terminal. And now, I will explain all lines for you understand and be clear for you this code. Public class, main. Class name is and start with capital letter. Remember, always starts with a capital letter when you write class name. In my class, I called main method is required, and you will see it in every Java program. Public static void main, string args, is method. Any code inside the main method will be executed. Don't worry about the keywords. before and after, main. You will get to know them bit by bit while reading this tutorial. Inside the main method, we can use the println method to print a line of text to the screen. Public static void main string args system.out println hello world. Note: the curly braces marks the beginning and the end of a block of code. System is a built-in Java class that contains useful members such as out, which is short for output. The println method, short for println, is used to print a value to the screen or a file. Don't worry too much about system, out, and println. Just know that you need them together to print stuff to the screen. You should also note that each code statement must end with a semicolon.